Hello. Hello, y'all. I heart, good morning. Fresh meat. Becker's, hope all's well. Yeah, I'm good. I hope everyone else is doing well. Am I really dark? Ani, thank you for the hydrate. Let me take that sip. Hmm. There we go. That's better. Okay. That's too bright. It's too bright for my eyes. There we go. Okay. How's it going? Did a lot of story development today. My wife's been very helpful. Sometimes I just blank. I'm like, what do I do next? And she's like, she'll just throw like ideas at me. I'm like, ooh, good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Boom. Story. I basically this is now like maybe half to 2/3 complete. Once I get down here, that's end of game. Done, ready to implement. Heading to sleeps now, but I'm glad I caught you first. Ani, have a good night. Have a great night's sleep. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Yesterday, just finding bugs for Unity 6. Unity 6 bugs. Can't believe I'm still doing this, but I need to keep going. There's a few bugs that I encountered yesterday that I can't recreate. So I'm gonna assume they're fixed based on other things that I fixed. Yo, foil. How's it going, foil? All right, new game. Let's start a new game and just play. Let's play and chat. Maybe I'll try and speed run a full playthrough. You know what? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use the controller. I'm gonna speed run a full playthrough of the demo as fast as I can. And before I do that, I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this debug menu because it's throwing errors, and I just want to make sure they're not related to breaking the game. Hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're doing well. So how do I get rid of this thing? How do I get rid of this debug menu? What was it called? It was called something stupid like BK. No. It had a really dumb name. No, Cerberus. No, that wasn't it. Definitely better than I was yesterday and this morning. Nice, nice. Better is good. Grasslands, stylized nature. I forgot about that thing. I gotta sleuth through this. Is it in plugins? Dev console. That sounds like the dev console. Window, toolbar, toggle, tab, scroll view. Where is it? Editor? This doesn't look like it actually. Version. What is this? That's just a version number. I remember it being different than this. And I remember there being a prefab. Oh, here it is. Dev console settings. It is this. Okay. Auto instantiate. Turn that off. Let's see. If I turn that off, maybe Unity 6 fixed it. No, it's still there. It has a bunch of errors. So how do I get rid of this thing? Why doesn't auto instantiate get rid of it? Let's look into it. Still on the job hunt for post-graduation in around a month. What's the field you're looking for? Excuse me. Here we go, settings. Auto instantiate. Yep. 10 stream shriek foil. Nice. Electrical engineering. This doesn't do anything. This isn't. It's in the dev console. If auto instantiate, instantiate. Find object of type and instantiate it. Does this get called anywhere else? Twice. It's Barracks. Good morning. Welcome in. How are you? Where is it morning for you? I guess in Europe somewhere. Bootat, what's up? Bootat, you're reminding me now. I need to make new badges. They only go up to 4 months, I think. Switzerland. Ah, nice. Welcome in. Oh, look at this. Dev console singleton. If singleton equals null, instantiate. This doesn't listen to the auto instantiate. It doesn't give a flying whatever. Doesn't care about anything with wings. It just instantiates it. It doesn't care. So the auto instantiate doesn't do anything. Morning in Sweden. And in Finland. Proton Fig, how are you? Can I check for this public bool? Probably not, because this is a scriptable object. Oh, actually, wait. Settings. Settings. Oh, I do have it. I have serialized settings right here. Wait, static settings. Settings copy, and then underscore settings. How does it have these settings? It's a scriptable object. Oh, this is the constructor, public static settings. You know what I'll do? I know what I'll do. Nah, don't do that. I'll throw some print statements and just be like, this. And then this one. I released this last week, among some other stuff. Proton. What you got? I'm assuming this is all hand animated and coded by you. Ooh, it's got a very Stranger Things vibe. I dig it. I like it. You're good at this. You're very good at this, Proton Fig. I like how you say this is a remix of a song, and the other song's by me too. I'm remixing my own song, yo. Is this a partner? I thought you worked alone. Yo, Virtue. How's it going? We're watching and listening to a track by Proton Fig. I'm doing well. I'm doing well today. It's another gorgeous, cold, crisp fall day out there. I don't know. I'm just really enjoying the changing of the seasons. I lived in LA for like 5 years, lived in San Francisco for a year and a half. I have not experienced a changing of a season as intense as I am now in a long time. Look at all those hearts you got. What's that? Oh, astronomy show. No, Astro Canuck. That's a creepy heart. I'm enjoying the colder weather. I don't like summer humidity. No, me too. Me too. I'm loving this. Pacifist, how's it going? Good stuff, Proton. Always. Thank you for sharing. Good stuff. All right. So I need to get rid of this stupid thing. How do I get rid of it? And let's say I put a print here also. Static instantiate. And this one's constructor instantiate. And let's see which one it is. Like, who is calling this thing? How are you existing? I get around. Yeah. I see you've been a regular on Splinter's stream. That makes me happy. That makes me happy. May I ask what time it is at your place? Yeah, it's 3:50. 3:55. 35 stream streak that passed fast. Oh my god, I swore I have other hobbies. No, you don't. You're a liar. I do love him. Nice. AM. No, PM. PM. I'm in Japan. It is it's late afternoon here. Early evening. Pacifist. 35 stream streak. That's got to be the current high. It's got to be. Okay. Oh my god. Constructor instantiate. Static instantiate twice. This thing just won't die. What? So on enable, the game manager. No, is that what I did? Did I put that script on my game manager? Is that what I did? I bunked up. I bunked up. No, it's not here. Okay. Public static. Singleton. Return. Why? 144. Oh, because I'm calling it here. I'm adding a command. And if this add command... Oh, no. Add command. Commands manager. Barracks, thank you for the follow. How high can stream streaks go? I don't know. It's 155 here. Yeah, it is. It's late where you are. Are you working on this all alone? Yeah. Yeah. I'm doing all the art and gameplay myself, but I have my buddy Splinter VT is doing all the music. Shout out to Splinter. Yo, Emil, this real today. We're real today. Also, Freshy's real. Oh no, Freshy's AI? Okay, sorry. Can confirm a lot higher on other streams. All right, so it looks like the sheer act of registering with the dev console is creating the dev console. So how do I not do that? Settings. What is happening? I need to close all these things. I need to get to the bottom of this. This is really important because I can't make any new builds unless I sort this thing out and I'm able to turn this stupid thing off. Scriptable pool container. Okay. So unless I need another value that I turn off, that I encapsulate all those dev console commands I'm adding, I just put them behind like a gate and I can turn them off, which is stupid if I have to do that, but I'll do it if I have to. So constructor initiated. Why? Because this was called. Okay. Static initialize unload. Who called you? Print init onload. Meant nothing on that other than the actual number being greater than 450 in a row that I've actually seen with my own eyes. Wow. If you ever go on Pirate Software stream, in the very beginning, you'll usually see tons of people firing off their very high streaks. I've seen it and it's kind of nuts. Also, this is gonna be fun. The lighting like changing like all day. The sun keeps going in and out. I need blackout curtains. I need them. Okay, so we have in and unload was called by nobody. It's just like the first thing. Runtime initialize onload method. Load type. Runtime initialize load type before scene load. How do you turn this thing off? I think I have to message the dev. I don't understand. Who made this damn thing? And how do I turn the damn thing off? Documentation. I think I've read the documentation before and it said nothing about how to turn it off. Developed by this person. All right, let's... You look very nice. I'm going to send you a Gmail. Command system, which has an MIT license. That's good. Support for Unity 2018. Yeah. Let me quickly look through this. Tutorial usage. The tutorial folder contains a whole bunch of examples on how to create and use commands. Yep, I did that. The prefab dev console is automatically instantiated when hitting play and contains the main functionality. It also contains all the configuration related to how each component on the interface looks and behaves. For the most part, you'll probably want to leave it as is. Yeah, sure. The resources folder contains the 2 main assets you will be using to work with Dev Console. Okay, cool. Freshie, I think you gave me that same solution a couple days ago. And it didn't work then because I'm on a Mac. And it's not going to work now because I'm still on a Mac. So yeah, I remember reading this and it's like, okay, this is how you add it. On the other hand, the asset dev console settings contains configuration about how dev console behaves and how it looks in general. You'll most probably want to edit this to your own liking. Cool. This is how you create commands. Cool. Yep. As I execute them. Yep. In-depth guide. Command system. Yep. Cool. Manually. Yeah. If you're ever on the Windows command, do the key combo Control Alt Windows Shift L. That's 5 keys? What does that do? It was more than that, but yes, probably it's my go-to. If it doesn't work, just delete sys32. That'll get the job done. Auto instantiate. Keys. Auto instantiate. If checked, dev console will be automatically instantiated in the scene right after the game starts. You'd normally want to leave it checked by default. Additionally, you might want to leave don't destroy and load checked by default as well. Clear input on close, autocomplete behavior, default look and feel. Yeah. Animation, I don't care. User interface, I don't care. The toolbar, don't care. Tabs, group identical entries button, no. Settings button, work as a toggle, no. Autocomplete window, no. Dev console is a singleton, and so this static property is the main entry point for the rest of the public interface. Try it. It's not malicious, I promise. Wait. It will open LinkedIn? Oh, really? I hate that that's a thing. I did not know that was a thing. Yo, Turgus, what's up? It also works with a bunch of other keys other than L, like P for PowerPoint, W for Word, and others. Wow, I didn't know that. Super useless, though I feel like it's faster to just type in LinkedIn. It's possible. All right, I have to email this dev. I have to email the dev. Pose. Dev console question. Hey there. Hey there, Antonio. I've been enjoying Dev console immensely. I really appreciate you putting it out there for use for free. I have one question though. No matter if, no matter what, or regardless of what the auto instantiate settings are set to, the dev console is always there. So I can't do a proper build and update my game. Seems the only way to make it stop spawning is if I delete it. I'm using Unity 6, by the way. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, Andrew. Okay, hopefully we get a response soon. Yo, Splinter, there you are. Is this where the part E's at? This is where the part knees are at. Knee. Freshie. No bullying. Did I miss any Rocket League? No, nobody's redeemed Rocket League for a while. You were the only one that did it for a bit. I think I might turn it off this stream. I don't need any breaks. This is gonna be a shorter stream too. Let me turn it off. Did that work? Is it off now? Yeah, it's off. Okay. Playing Rocket League 2? Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes. Maybe I'll turn it back on later, but I want to get some work done today. It's not gonna be like a 4.5 hour stream. It's gonna be like 2.5. And I don't need any breaks for a 2.5 hour stream. Yeah, sorry, Turgus. 2.5. Pacifist. Thank you. That's what I need. I need more focus, damn it. All right, so I can't fix that right now. So let's just continue without being able to turn that off. Let's play the game to its completion. I'm going to finish the game. I already noticed an issue. Splinter, also, how are you? I just gave you a shout out. I can't give you another one for an hour. What's up, Turgus? Let me guess. You still have it. You still have the redeem somehow clickable. You pickle now? Pickle what? You write emails like I used to. Now I've lost all patience. Pacifist. I do my best. I do my best. Also, Emil, safe driving out there. I missed a bunch of messages. What up, Schmeat? Yo, 30 stream streak. Turgus. You're only 5 behind Pacifist. That's crazy. Those are some good streaks. Those are some healthy streaks. I crave pickle pregnant. What is it? 2, 1, midnight, 11. It's only 11 for you. Yeah, you can have a pickle. I need to remove 7 days demo message from non-demo build. I don't know why it shows up. All right, let's do it. New game. Random. Henry. That is Henry, of course. Yeah, this, I don't know why this welcome to the demo shows up. It should only show up if it's the demo. Praying it. It's kind of like AA. I was able to get a lot off my chest and help with other subjects that others were struggling with. So great. Well, that sounds very helpful. Congrats. We were expecting our 4th anytime. Turgus, 4 kids. Congrats to you. Also, Splinter's not pregnant. He's just hungry. I'll babysit. I'm great with kids. I make him puke though. And you have to deal with that. Oh, my brother, he has this story. He was a babysitter once and he was babysitting some nightmare child. And the kid was eating cereal for dinner or something. And the kid got up on the table and just peed in his cereal. Just lashing out. So gross. All right, I'm gonna do my best to concentrate and hit everything on the first day. I want this inn opened on the first day. I don't want to make a single mistake there. I made a mistake. Bun in the oven? Wait. Splinter, what are you saying right now? Are you having a child? Are you having child? Is someone getting screamed at by my eldest right now? Congratulations and good luck. How dare you not recognize Splinter and his baby? No, I'm like a Ken doll down. Oh my God. That's what I thought. I knew you were like a Ken doll. Yeah, I have 5 errors so far because of this stupid dev console, which I'm not upset that it throws errors. I'm just upset that I can't turn it off. That's everybody, right? Return to Eugene. I'm making good time. It's 8:25. I've almost finished all these quests. Yo, Bad Manners. How are you? And I want to get the dog on day 2, so I gotta go talk to Jules. I'm really excited to like implement all these new quests and make all these new zones. I'm like very invigorated for the future. But this is what's blocking me, is these stupid bugs. Okay, got the rooms. Okay, 1, 2. Go, 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 go. It's 10 a.m. I can get Dale in there. I don't actually have to talk to Carlos, but I'm going to anyway. He gives you the crafting table. Okay, 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 okay. Go, 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 go. We just strapped them to the Roomba. It's worked wonders. All good. I'm doing well as well. Thank you. It's a good day today. Today's a good day. Pacifist, you have 15 children? Holy. And a newborn? You have 16 children? What are you saying? How old are you? Oh, 15 years old. I'm kidding. I knew that. I knew that. I definitely knew that. I think, yeah, that's definitely what they meant. I was being silly. Let's get that out of the way. Got more stuff. I love this package system. It's my favorite. It's my favorite thing I've added to the game yet is the packages. And the inn is open. It's 12:30. Dale should show up any second. We got Dale day 1. Day 1 Dale. While Dale is showing up, I should get some food because I'm going to need it. And I bashed him with an axe. All right, I got some food. 2 nights. That's too many nights, Dale. Oh, he needs a bed. He needs a bed. He needs a bed. He doesn't want the bed. Okay, Dale's in. I don't want anyone else, so I'm going to keep going. I'm going to head out. Got to wake up early tomorrow. Foil, thanks for hanging out. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Gotta have replacements to work the fields. Old man screams at cloud. With the commands, is there a public bool you can check to see if it's spawned before adding them? Looking into that plugin for my own use, and I'm curious. I don't know what's happening. It seems to be that when the game starts, there's a tag on that function that's just like, do it, just start it, and I don't know. I'm kind of waiting. I could just dig into it more, but I don't want to waste my time with it. Hopefully the dev gets back to me and I can get back to you. Maybe they'll get back to me during this stream. I still recommend it. I still think it's a great plugin. All right, before we go to Jeff, gotta get that. Thank you for the sword. I should also collect these blueprints. Oh, why didn't I? Oh, right, that issue. Okay. So that's 6? No. Jeff should still be here. Yep. Okay, that means we got the meadow, day 2. That's perfect. Everything's going perfect. Oh, I didn't plant the seeds. I'm not going to make it to fall today. Ooh, he gave me some food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. I don't need these. I'm going to run out of stamina before I can finish watering all of them. Too tired. I can drink this tea. Where are the seeds? Oh, no, I'm watering them. Okay. What else do I need to do? Day 1. I can go to Paul. I can make it. Oh my god, Turgus. Turgus, it's horrible. You split it up the scenes and load them as you need them. Is there best practice for this? Is there a best practice for this? Do you mean like you're definitely going to do that and what's the best way to handle it? Or are you saying like, should you do that? Is there a better way? Because every game seems to do it their own way. I kind of liked breaking them up into zones because it's just more in scope for me. I don't have to design a giant world. I could just design little contained areas and it's not so much pressure. And I can walk you through how I do the warping if you're interested. Yo, Balint. ×3. Credits. ×3. That puts you above Clay. Wow, you bumped Clay. Just wondering if referencing the singleton is what's causing the console to spawn. Might download it and check it out. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's actually doing it. I don't bow out like some other folk, but I will leave a lurk to much love. I appreciate it, Fresh Meat. Thank you for the lurk. Quite new to Unity and love to find out new ways to do stuff. Yeah, I'll once I finish this, I'll walk through the spawn system. How experienced with you are you in C#? Quite new to Unity. I'll try and explain it simply. Did I open up the cave? Yeah, discover what's making all that noise. Ooh, maybe I can finish that quest before the day's over. Why did I spend 50K on Rocket League? What do you mean? Oh, pacifist. Pacifist. I missed it. Do you have 2? ×2. Boom. Yo, 2 XP. I mean, do you feel sad that the redeem is gone and that you wasted all your points making me play in the past? Turgus. Turgus, you in here? You're not. Yeah, you are. ×2. More into Java since a few years, but so far it didn't have that much problem with C#. So I would say that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, cool. Then I will explain it like a normal person. All right, that's the end of day 1. I did everything you can do in day 1. I didn't make it back to Paul. If I was paying attention, maybe I could have made it back. Day 2. So far, the only bugs are this stupid carrot thing. All right, that's a lot. Stella's coming. Jewel wants me to return. Jeff opened up the meadow, and Melissa has some favors to ask, of course. It is 6 a.m. It's normal. It's not noon like that bug I hit on. Or was that yesterday? That was yesterday. This tree is too big. I don't think I give you enough stamina. I think I need to increase how much stamina you start with. So what do I got to do now? Let's go to Jules, get the dog. Yeah, shout out to Balint. Shout out to Science Streams. I hope you're doing well. How did the Doctor Who Wacom Wednesday go? I saw a Dalek, but I had you muted because I was lurking and doing work. You got one done? Nice. I don't know if you'd feel bad by this, but every time you have a prediction that I catch, where it's how many do you get done, I always vote 0 or 1. Like, I feel like I got a good chance of winning if I vote 0 or 1. Because sometimes your chat is very chatty and distracts you really well. Usually I'll make a judgment call. If they're being really chatty and distracting you, I vote 0. If I'm noticing you're getting stuff done while chatting, I'll vote 1. Rarely I get many. Have you ever gotten more than 1 done? Always Emiliana. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, wait. I got dog. First, pet. Then sigh. Then follow me. Tell Paul what you found. Is there anything else I need to do here? I have other quests, but they're not showing up. Shutterbugging, that's right. There's once where we got 6 done. Jeez. Freshie, good night. I just could have climbed the ranks. Oh, you mean you think? Sorry, Turgus. So you think you wasted your money on Rocket League because you could have been pumping that into climbing the ranks of the credits. I see. I'm sorry. If it's any consolation, I needed those breaks. Like, That got the game done. What's more important, getting the game done or climbing the ranks of the credits? It brought you joy, and that brings me joy. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Let's put some decorations down and check in more guests. Put a hot tub. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting that there's a recipe down here. Nope, I can't pick it up that way. What's up, Drake? Where's Stella? I need Stella to show up. Yeah, actually, I have to save the room. Saving it for Stella. Sorry, Drake. Dang, those console errors are persistent. Yeah, they are. You haven't installed? Or are you trying to figure it out too? You bring me fruit. Honest question. Honest question, Bullen. You got to be perfectly honest. You run a very family-friendly stream. And do you like that emote popping up in your chat? Total honesty here. Because I know you were very careful of not doing it. And then someone did it. And I was like, oh my God, I got to see your face. I got to see your reaction to it. But with the delay, I don't know. I don't know if I caught it. Octavius shares it with us. I could talk about vitamin C and scurry. I mean, I know you can talk about. Did I have a reaction? It was like, I don't know, I sensed the hesitation maybe, but not. No, you handle it with grace. You handle everything with grace. You're a very graceful streamer. Yeah. Also, shout out to Turgis. Shout out to Turgis for providing me so much joy with Rocket League. And for being one of the first streamers to play Alpine Lake on stream live. One of the first. You know how to get a rise out of me. Very easy. Thank you for the bits. Even though it's that knee. Bullen's hard to trip up. Yeah, he is. All right, what am I doing? I need to send people to Melissa's Diner. So let me go find Dale. There he is. Get back here. Hello. Can I make a recommendation? Go to Melissa's Diner. That sounds fun. I'll try it. Great. Where's my sleeping bag? There it is. We're going to sleep in the stars. Do I need a foot emote? Oh, God. I know where you get them. Go to Sninko Games. He's got like 6 feet emotes. Some of them are very disturbing. Wait, why is Dale leaving? Oh, because he just checked out. Okay. We completed the quest too. Return to Oriole. Great. And Stella's here. Perfect. 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 Henry, good to see you. Hi. You can have the new room. And then make sure to immediately go to Melissa's Diner. There we go. And we got our flowers. And Dougie, you come with us. Follow me. Soul. I'm sick. Take it away. Heal me. No. What's the matter? What kind of illness do you got? Where am I going now? Vic. Human growth. Take that back. Ooh, I got another error. Oh, same error. Damn it. Find Birch. Where is she? She's at the visitor center. Chills, cough, sore throat, imminent death. You're going to be okay. You're going to make it. Just stay warm, rest up, drink lots of liquids, and make sure to eat. Make sure to eat and drink. What is the name of the plugin? I want to make sure I'm looking at the right one. This one's called... Let's see. Dev console. It is... Where is it? It's not this one. It's a free one, though. I forget which one. Is it this one? Dev Console 2. Yeah, Dev Console 2 by Kobo Antonio. This one. Paste. Okay. Now what? I want to make a campfire. I want to make a bookshelf. I want to put the lamp in her room. And put a campfire out here. And log seat? Oh, I can't make the log seat. Guess I can put this down. I don't need it though. And what else? I want more guests. Also, she didn't go to Melissa's Diner yet. Can I make a recommendation? Go to Melissa's Diner. What are you waiting for? It's already 5 p.m. You didn't go eat? Oh, she didn't go. She did go. 1 out of 3. Okay, weird. Place the shipping box somewhere on your property. I could do that. I'll sell something too. I'll sell these thorns. Is she doing it? She's going back. Twice in one day. Twice in one day. Jeff, shutterbugging. There you are. Phew. You'll probably discover this sooner or later. I have no idea what I'm doing. Here's take a camera. Whitechapel. A motivation poster, but it's actually not that motivational. I like it. I like it. Motivational poster. Soul 15 stream streak. I'm liking that new Kirby emote you got. How are you liking being full-time day 3? I like it a lot. It's very nice. You know, I'm not making any money. I'm just spending it only. But right now, it's not in my brain. It's okay. It doesn't affect me yet. So, but I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Let's get some photos before the night is over. Also, Whitechapel, how the hell are you? Shout out to Whitechapel. Amazing, amazing pixel artist, animator. Amazing, incredible, one of the best. If that's the kind of stuff you like, you got to make sure to give Whitechapel a follow. Can you rotate the camera? You can, a little bit. You can go to here, and you can go to here. And that's it. You can go up close, you can zoom out, but that's it. You can't like, you can't do full 360. Also, oh, the butterfly doesn't come out at night. That's right. All right, I can come back. Also, this mushroom shader. I'm so mad. I deleted the mushroom shader. Just straight up. Oh, wait. Yo, Hypnotic Games. Hypnotic, how are you? Welcome in, Raiders. Shout out to Hypnotic. I'll spell it eventually. There we go. Boom. That gamer, how's it going? Pseudo hacks, welcome in. Goblin Raid. Dex does art, welcome in. Hypnotic, how are you? If you guys don't know who Hypnotic Games is, he's a game dev working in. Wait, what engine are you working? I always forget. I know you're working on a traffic game. You're working on like a traffic puzzle game, right? Godot. Of course you're working Godot. Foa Tencho, welcome in. Is that Japanese? Foha Tencho? Grumble, how are you? Smart man. Yeah. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an Innkeeper-Sim, and I just updated to Unity 6, and it's been like 4 days. I'm just doing playthroughs, trying to find bugs and stuff. First 6 hours was traffic jam. 2+ hours on my own Godot Verlet. Wait, like cloth simulation? Then gaming. Nice. Do you have anything you want to share, Hypnotic? Arya, how's it going? He's very good at development. Yeah, he is. Stream overlay made in Godot. Oh, Godot Verlet. I thought you were talking about like Verlet simulations. Isn't that like? Yeah, Verlet is like a word for cloth simulations. Whoops. He's making up words. Hypnotic, do you have anything you want to share? Nothing to share currently? All right. Well, I appreciate you. I appreciate the raid. I appreciate you coming in. Whoa, what is this? What is all this? Invalid AABB. What? Send will render canvases. Send will render canvases. Unity engine canvas. That doesn't look like my error. This doesn't look like me. I didn't look. That's Unity canvas issue. But it had something to do with too many of these. I hope it doesn't mess up the game. Them some chunky errors too. 30 of them. Oh dang, it's spreading, yeah. I got the dog bed. I found this while at Melissa's Diner. Nice. Go back to Melissa's Diner. Keep going to Melissa's Diner. Wake up. Wake up, Stella. We need one more. Wake up. She sleeps late. 8 o'clock. Oh, she teleported into the hot tub. Hello, can I make a recommendation? Go back to Melissa's Diner. Oh, new guest. Ginger. I haven't seen Ginger. You, go to Melissa's Diner also. Everyone go to Melissa's Diner. I don't have a room for you. We're almost to the end. Let me finish shutterbugging. I just need to get a picture of a butterfly. Okay, got the butterfly. Oh, also to the raiders coming in, if you would do me the flavor of giving Alpine Lake a wish list, I'd really appreciate it. My wish list numbers have been pretty lame lately. I'm not trying to give you the sword. There we go. Wow, these are fantastic. Have you done this before? Yeah. Who hasn't called themselves an amateur photographer before? Yeah. Sad story, Jeff. Sad story, Jeff. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. Let's take a look. Wait, I'm not paused. I swear I fixed this. I fixed this. I spent a whole stream fixing this. Fantastic. I spent the whole stream fixing this. No. Wait, what was this one? Oh, Firefly. That's right. I forgot I took a picture of that. Okay. That upsets me. That upsets me that the pause didn't work. Capture, photography, cutscene, pause didn't work again. Did the dev get back to me? No, did not. Did not. Maybe did a rollback without knowing. I have never rolled back. Actually, I rolled back once. One time I did a rollback, and when I did it, I lost like a week of work because something terrible happened, and I rolled back, and I'm like, wait, I just lost all the work that I did this last week, and it took me a week to get back to where I was. And the rollback caused issues that were unrelated. It's crazy. What is this crazy bullshit programming on stream? Finn, what is up? Hey, they're enjoying the fire together. That's nice. So, return to Melissa. We did it. Anyone can cook. 3 people have visited her diner. It's really hard to do this quest. I never usually play the game for this long. It just takes forever. But no bugs. Wait, why are there no bugs? Did I clear the console? I think I cleared it. Yeah, I just cleared it. Those AB bugs were, I don't even know what they were. It's me, Donat. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Tell Paul what you found. Find Birch. Bring Melissa fried egg. Okay. The only way I can do that is if I get an egg from the farmer's market. I don't have a chicken coop yet. Antwan, 2016. Thank you for the follow. I can put the frying pan somewhere. Hey, I'm a dev also myself, but not a game dev, but always love watching game devs doing game deving. Yeah, welcome in. What kind of dev are you? I can't cook anything. Oh, yeah. I can give the dog a bed. Forgot. And a water. There you go. You stay. Stay in this room. Hang out. I guarantee you will not enjoy. Why would you say something like that? It's horrible. Oh, there. Look, this is exactly what the shader was made for. This camera is in this tree, but we can clearly see everybody. This makes me happy. That makes me happy. Give the dog a bone. This old man is rolling home. Oh yeah, I don't have treats. I gotta make dog treats. Make dog treats. Actually, I will add that to the... It's not a... This isn't a bug. It is a future content request. Dog treats. Pets. Add dog treats. Or maybe you could just give the dog food. Allow the dog to accept any food. If I... No, I don't want to eat it. I want to give it to the dog. Arf. Never mind. Oh, that's right. So dogs don't accept food, so it doesn't do the message like, Pep will not accept this. All right, I'll fix that. Can you pet the dog? Of course you can. We'll pet them with the croissant. Oh, the croissant goes away. Oh, they're laying down, so the animation doesn't match. Where'd they go? Pet. There we go. We made contact. Oh yeah, there is a bug. If I'm holding something and her arm sticks out, which adds a... Oh wait, why is that fish animated? What the hell? The fish is animated on the plate. It's swimming. The fish is swimming. Why does it look dead? Skinned mesh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is happening? Is this the fish? No, this the fish. The fish is in its death loop. What is happening? This is what dead fish does. Oh my god. I can't believe I forgot to take the animator off. That's amazing. Splinter! Yo, Dragon Spirit! How's it going? Oh, I stopped playing. I didn't want to do that. I'm trying to get to the end. I just got really distracted. I was trying to play all of it. Load game. Henry. How far did we get? Oh, I totally forgot I was doing that. Oh man, that set us back. We didn't even complete Melissa's diet. All right, you know what? We didn't hit any errors. I'm pretty confident that that I'm good to go. The only thing is the level up screen. That's right. The level up screen gave me a lot of errors just now. I'm about to blow all of my pocket money on humble bundles. What is there anything good? What we got? What kind of bundles we got? Are they games or are they game dev packs? Share links. At least you have pocket money to spend. Well, he won't in a minute. What was I just saying? What was I just about to do? I'm losing my mind. No, seriously, what was I just about to do? I said I was confident that there's no bug. Oh, right, the level up screen. Oh my god, I'm losing it. Main game scene. Move. Core scene. So I want to simulate some level ups. And I can do that by proficiency system. I can unhide this. So I can simulate some level ups and see what that bug is. Dragon Age and Mass Effect comics? Atari collection? What? Comics? You're gonna blow money on reading? And Atari games? I don't know. I have to look at the Super Mega Arcade collection because it's from Lurtz. And I have a fair bit of Lurtz stuff. I like the pictures. I don't know, Finn. I don't know about this one. Where is it? Oh, show debug buttons. Oops. Super game asset bundle, 7,000 assets for Godot Unreal. Oh, what is this? Oh, dang. Wait, I've seen this. Oh, I've seen this. BitGamey posted this on Irish John's stream, and I remember looking through this. It's very cool. There's lots of really cool stuff. Shout out to BitGamey. If you guys don't know BitGamey, he's definitely like one of the nicest people on Twitch. And he has a Discord where he posts all of these asset bundles wherever they pop up. Anything that goes on sale in the Unity asset store that's worth checking out. He's like got his ear to the ground or his nose to the sky. I don't know. He's always sensing. He's using all of his senses to find the deals and the bundles. This is a lot of really good stuff here. Windmill Valley. This looks gorgeous. Wait, maybe this is for me. This looks gorgeous. I like the fences. Wait, that's ridiculous. What was that? Did you see the animation on that? Hey, we gotta go back. Now I'm just gonna make fun of it. Look at the animation on this thing. It's like bouncing around from the top. And the bottom is like held tight. Teehee. Teehee. Lee game is. Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. If I have the console turned off and add a command, it spawns it right away. I am no geek. Yeah. I am Neo Geek. Yeah. I'm thinking I have to like gate all my add commands behind another Boolean, which is annoying. But I'll do it. Okay, this asset is not that useful to me. Not really. Any others? Any others? Greek island environment? No. Yeah, that's it. But if you're doing photoreal stuff, it looks like there's tons of awesome stuff. We got one shader and we gonna use it. Yeah, exactly. That is what they did. They make good stuff. Alerts and Decagon are two of the studios we use assets from. Yeah, these all look beautiful. Mr. Professor Grandma, I'm away to Lurkland. Livio face. Valent. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. Get some good sleepies in. That's what I'm looking at now. I mean, let me see. I'll try it. I'll try it. So if I go to game manager and I say, I'll do public pool register dev console commands. Register dev console commands. And I'll just put all of my add commands behind that. If register dev console commands. Everywhere I call this, which is stop NPC system. All right. Inkeep game manager dot instance photo system. Spawn guest system. Time system. Transaction manager. Warp system. Also, oh right, I was supposed to show you barracks. Supposed to show you how I do scene loading. If you're still there, let me know. I'll give you a quick rundown of how I do it. Stop saying it like lurts. It's lurts. It's lurts. Sounds like, looks like lurts to me. You're still here. All right, I'll show you. Wouldn't it have been easier if you had called the class dev console in the variable instances, so you would have been able to dev console.instance.add command? Dragon Spirit, we're not all as smart as you. We're just not. Not critique. Thinking it would be easier now. Probably would be. So barracks. This is how I do my warp system. What I do, it's just a sequence of events, very specifically timed. And I use the Unity Engine scene management system. Basically, in my Unity scenes, I have hang in there. Hang in there. Slow reveal, compiling scripts. In my Unity scene, I have these things. These warps. Warp locations. So here's one, right? It consists of a trigger zone, right? A box collider. And this scene warper. And this asset has a reference to two scriptable objects. The scriptable object that represents that spot and the scriptable object that represents this spot where you're warping to. Everything else is whatever. Everything else is nothing. You don't got to worry about that. And when I enter this box collider, I know where I'm going because I have the scriptable object. So here's like every scriptable object. Here's every warp location in the game. Everywhere that you can warp to and warp from, basically every warpable location is right here. And I'm just referencing them. And then they hold some data. They hold the position in the scene where that spot is, the rotation. So I know when I warp the player where to put them and where to rotate them. And they have some other data like, they have the data that is what scene they're a part of. So like the in scene, this one right here. So in entrance east, it holds that it knows it's in this scene. It knows the scene name. It knows its position. That's all it needs to know. Finn, thank you for the giant emotes. Thank you for modifying the Riz. I didn't even know I had that channel redeem where you can modify emotes. Trust me, my man, I am not that smart. You're smarter than me. But yeah, so once I have that in my scene, I know where you're going, I know where you're coming from. Then in my warp script, so when that tells the warp script, hey, I'm warping, and here's where I'm warping to, here's where I'm warping from. I basically check to see if that scene that I'm warping to is loaded. If it is, that means I'm probably warping somewhere else in that scene, and I don't do any scene management. I just push the player there. I fade to black, push the player there, fade up. If that next location is in a scene that's unloaded, I load it asynchronously. I fade to black. I load it asynchronously. And I wait. I do a bunch of setup stuff. If that scene has stuff it needs to do when it loads, before it can fade up from black, I do it. And then that scene's like, hey, I'm all ready. I'm good to go. Fade up from black, move the player, done. That's how I do it. So it's just, and then while you're in black, after you finish loading the new scene, you have to make sure to unload the previous scene. And that's it. So it's just a little fade to black, load new scene, move player to it, make this scene the active one, delete the previous one, you're done. Very simple. Very simple. It's not that simple. It's a little bit of a setup, with like the scriptable objects and shit, but those scenes contain only some terrain and your main scene still holds all the logic parts. Right. So the way my scene architecture is set up, I'll show you here. So I have main game scene, which is this main in. This is your property. And I have core scene, which is, it's got the player, it's got all the NPCs, it's got all my singletons, all my managers, all my systems. It's got my UI. It's got the lighting. It's got some cutscene stuff. It's got some tutorials, and it's got the cameras. My core scene has no terrain in it. Like if I hide my main scene and I hide this is my core scene. This is persistent. It's always loaded. It never unloads. If I hide the core, my main scene is the in. And since it's a simulation, it can never unload. So these two scenes are permanent, persistent scenes. Now, if I just watch here, and you'll see them unload and load. It'll say it. Here. So now I'm in the main scene. There's this do not destroy and load, which is not a scene. It's just a collection of stuff that never goes away. So I go here. You can see Visitor Center started loading. And when it finished loading, we faded up from black. The Visitor Center is not persistent. So if I go to the next scene, it happened really fast, but one unloaded, one loaded, fade up from black, move. But you can see that main game scene and core are still here because the player is the core scene. And the main game scene, it's still running. The NPCs are still walking around doing their thing. All the way over here is where we are. So these scenes don't overlap. I just make sure that I always move over enough. so that you can't see the main game scene from the scene you're in. I'm already having issues where some cameras like look here and like you can kind of see the water. I have to manage that. I have to put this somewhere else. I might actually eventually move it not just to the right, but like push it forward over here. That'll sort that out. You can only modify that one. Let me modify them all. Give me more power. Well, you can't modify animated ones and actually, yeah, why can't you modify more than that? Do I have control over that? Is that a thing I can do? If I go to emotes? Where are emotes? Channel? Community? Content? Viewer rewards? Emotes, there it is. Slot assignment. Emotional. Wait, emote attribution? No. Creation date new to old. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's because that's the only tier 1 standard emote that isn't animated. But why can't you modify the other ones? I have no idea. No idea, Finn. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you create another location, you just create a new scene, form the terrain, put your warping points, and good to go. Exactly. And build a nav mesh because my character controllers are based on a nav mesh. But yeah, that's it. So to prototype new zones, it's really easy. You could just make a giant plane and pop a warp in there. Done. Pop a warp. I like Papa Warp. Papa Warp and Mama Warp. I fell asleep and just woke up from a horrible nightmare. Turgis! Well, welcome. Was the horrible nightmare? Nah, never mind, actually. What? Good morning. Mr. Zombie, how are you? Good day. Probably because follower emotes. I don't know. I think you can mod my follower emotes, though. Yeah, I can mod your follower emotes. Your LOL is a follower emote. Don't say it. Don't say what? I'm not going to say it. Wait, what is this? What happened here? Not set to an instance of an object. Oh, wait, what? Ooh, this must load before the This must load before the game manager. How is that possible? Spawn guest system. How does this happen first? That's crazy. Never started as partner poosh. It was horrible. I can't make partner. You need 100 subs a month and an average of 75 viewers. I'm nowhere near those numbers. From a horrible nightmare into a horrible nightmare, a booyah stream. Yeah, he said it. He said it. The thing you were about to say, don't. I'm not going to say what I was about to say. One last question about this. Isn't it expensive to keep the main scene loaded if you're not there? Yeah, no, definitely it is. But it's a sim, and it was either that or design the game to function unloaded, which that's hard. That's hard. Because a lot of this stuff is based on like where you place stuff, distances between things, whether or not you have pathing, you know? So the speed that an NPC can get from one place to another actually affects how much money you make. So in order to at least guarantee the sim as much as possible, I just leave the scene loaded. And this game is never that complicated. My scenes don't get that big. You don't need 100 subs a month. That is for Partner Plus. Oh. Well, I mean, you definitely need the numbers. I don't have viewer numbers. My viewer numbers are Half of that. Those aren't the requirements for partner. You just need a cowboy hat. How about this? I got this. Does this work? Can I be partner with this hat? Andrew doesn't stream long enough to maintain the average. Twitch is an MLM confirmed. What is MLM? Machine learning language? Splinter. I'm still laughing at what you said. Once we announce the push, the people will come. Don't announce it. It's messed up. Don't tell people I'm partner pushing. Maybe one day, maybe in the future, but I don't have the numbers for it. Also, when Irish John, shout out to Irish John. When Irish John started his partner push, he was like right there. He basically had the numbers. He was right there. You can't start the push too early. Oh, a multi-level marketing. Oh, I see. Pyramid scheme. Yeah. I'll get you some literature, but you have to buy this candle first. The first hour kills your CCV. Yeah. Yeah, my number, you know, I posted this on Twitter a couple of weeks ago, my average viewer count from when I started to now. And let's see. How do we do? My average viewers for the past month have been 41. And that's half of what you need. It's basically half. Raiders count now? No, that's not true. No, that was false. That was fake news. I know firsthand that Raiders do not go toward your average. They only go toward your average if they hang out for more than like 30 minutes. Twitch said it. I think it's because they only count after a certain amount of time. They don't count instantly. Because I've seen it. I've seen it in my graphs. Like the average will be something really low, and you know, I'll get like an Adam C. Eunice raid with tons of people. I mean, the average will be higher than normal, but that's because, you know, a few stick around. I don't know. I don't care. I'm not a Twitch streamer. I'm a game dev. We don't stream here. We only make video game. And sometimes we practice our Japanese. 10 easy steps to make money. Buy my book. What are the other 9? He had a big uptick when he announced it. Yeah, he did. I did notice that. His average viewers went from like 60 to 70 to 100. Or at least when every time I woke up, he always had like 100 viewers. And, you know, before the partner push, he'd have like 60. So definitely like doing that helps. But he had like, you know, Irish John's a legend. Irish John's a legend. People come. Also, I don't want to do that right now. Just stream at hours when everyone is sleeping, so you get all the raids with sleeping people, and they will stay. You do realize that's what I'm doing. Like, it's 3 a.m. US time. It's like between midnight and 3 a.m. right now. So yeah, all you sleepy people, come in here. Everyone says goodnight to me from the US, and everyone from Europe says good morning. And that's what my stream time is. Speaking of my bedtime, exactly. See, look, Splinter goes to bed. Go to bed, Splinter. Join my Facebook group and I'll tell you. I didn't even see that. People don't count instantly. In general, live views aren't the same as engaged views. Yes. Google top loading. Its stupid AI result has finally got me to switch to DuckDuckGo as my search engine on desktop. Well done, Google. DuckDuckGo, is that real? It's 3 a.m. for you too? Yeah. Glad I was awake to catch the stream. Neo, thanks for hanging out. And now I got to figure out why does that script happen before my game manager? Project settings. Script execution order. My game manager is Innkeep game manager. It's literally the first thing. So why is the spawn manager happening first? Oh, is it because it's in the main game scene and the main game scene is the active one? What if I put it in late start? I'll just put it in late start for now. It's pretty lame, but... Wait, is late start a thing? Or is only late update? Late start Unity. Ah, forget it. I'll put it in a... Oh, look at that. I already have a late start. I'll put it right here. I'm going to put it right there. Hopefully I don't get that error again, and I can move on with my life. Does the init happen on awake, not on enable? For the singleton. It happens on awake. Is on enable first? Is that the deal? Everyone's on enable happens first and then awake? I thought awake was first. I can never remember. Yeah, I don't know. So I didn't get the arrows. That's good. I can move on. So I want to test the level up screen. Managers, game manager, show, debug, buttons. Show debug buttons. Here it is. Boom. Ooh, ad break. All right, so I'm going to level up a bunch of stuff. Boom. 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 Okay. I leveled up a bunch of stuff. Let's fast forward. Hats. Ooh, 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 ooh. It was only when the fourth one popped up. Cooking. Invalid AABB. In AABB. What does that mean? What does that mean? I get this error after pushing some data to Firebase. Not sure what's going on here. Invalid AABB. This can be caused for having a nan, not a number value, on one of your UI elements. Can you check in the editor if one or more of your UI elements have such type of value in their properties? Okay. There's tons of numbers here. I wonder if as this XP counter is going up, it's hitting some weird number. Oh, welcome back from ads. So I think I figured out what this is. Let's try and fix it. I don't want all these errors. I have a feeling that they're not very destructive. Like, they're not going to break the game, but I don't want to take any chances. So what menu does that? It's like the proficiency level up scroll view manager. There it is. No. Set navigation, XP bar is clear in it. So is any of this math? Can any of this math show up as like a nan? Yo, Cog. Is there a way to check if a number is nan? Like, if int is nan, is that a thing? Int.nan. No, is, no. Float.nan. Oh. Represents a number. Represents not a number. Represents not a number. So I can check for nan. Is nan. All right, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pretty much put that everywhere and see where the nan is coming from. Int cannot be null. There we go. But apparently float can be. I made some 1920s-ish traffic barricades from a small snippet of historic text I read about what they looked like before traffic cones. Cog, that is so detailed. What are you, Finn? Sleuthing these weird old websites for weird old photos? If you want int to be nullable, you have to use type. Yeah. No, I'm not trying to make it nullable. I'm trying to see if I can check if it's a garbage number, which I think it's a float. It's, wait, level values are ints. But wait, these are ints. No, these are all floats. These are all floats. These are all floats. Okay. Count text. Proficiencies.getStaged exp. If here we go. Here, I'll just do this. So we're gonna do this. Blank is float.nan. Print is nan. I think level is an int. So it can't, I don't think it can be this. It can't be that. It can't be that. Current EXP is a float. So maybe it's this. Oh wait, duh. Public float. It's got to be one of these two. Let's see where it's coming from. Hello, computer. Excuse me. Research is bad. Booyah 2024. I did not say that. I was just comparing Cog to your detail-oriented research. Computer, how are you? How are things in professional game dev land today? Oh my God, 6 months. 6 months. Computer, Thank you. You do realize subbing is not necessary. Everyone realizes this, right? You do not have to sub to hang out here. I do not require it, but I greatly appreciate it. Now you tell me. Well, I needed to get at least 6 months out of you. Jeez. What was I just going to tell you immediately? Got to get that change. Got to get that quiche. I don't have a job anymore. I need that quiche from you specifically. I'm kidding. Got to get that sushi money. Yeah. Don't tell me what to do. I won't. I would never tell you what to do. All right, let's see if that rears its little head. Can't get sushi with a reservation. Can't get sushi without a reservation. There's so much. There's the full range of cheap ass sushi here to super crazy expensive sushi, all within a block from each other, and they don't all taste the same. The super expensive sushi is kind of euphoric. If there's something about, I don't know, these places, they know how to do it. But when you go to the cheap ass places, like this place called Sushiro, it's a conveyor belt sushi place. You walk in, you probably spend $15 max per person. You walk out so full, and you order it like by the piece, and they're like $1 a piece, and you have a little screen in front of you, and you pick what you want, and the conveyor belt brings it. It's very good, very tasty, and it's like $15. I mean, you can get cheaper than that too. You can go to a grocery store and get like grocery store sushi for $5. Easy. Like a full lunch portion of sushi. Maybe $7. All right, let's see if that throws any errors. Let's do it. And fast forward. I can't wait to see what happens next. Oh God. Nothing came back as Nan. But we got all the errors. Dang it. Okay, let's do it again. Clear. Next day. I'm just going to do 1. I'm just going to increase gardening. Yeah, let's see what happens. Maybe I can tick through it. Maybe I can do the little move frame by frame. Next. Oh, wait. It happened so fast. It's gone now. Okay, so it didn't do it with just 1. All right, let's update 2. So we have 1, 2. Two things level up now. Okay. Next. Wait, 3 things leveled up and nothing happened. Okay. Maybe it's only one specific thing. Maybe it's only the like inn level up. All right, let's just level up the inn. Next. Nope. Could it be when it renders enough that it shows a scroll bar and renders some off screen? Yeah, that's the next thing. Let's try that. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things leveled up. Is this the new mobile spin-off, Alpine Lake Auto Inner? Yeah, it's just a clicker game. We're just going to make an idle clicker now. Some publisher reached out to me, and they're from a place that does mostly mobile idle games, and they're like, hey, is your game mobile compatible? No. Didn't do it. Incremental game. Oh my god, computer. I wish I can give you a crown. I wish I can give you the crown, the pun of the day. Let's do 5. Maybe it only has to, maybe it's only when you're fast forwarding through them. Because I let it go normal speed there. Let me try fast forwarding it. Did any text labels appear below? No, they didn't, but well, they did eventually. Like this one just did. I didn't get any errors. Also, no Pokemon lullabies. I have a strict rule. No Pokemon lullabies. Makes me feel like a baby. I don't want to feel like a baby. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Now I can't recreate this bug. Maybe the numbers are too low. Maybe it was because these level numbers were too low. Maybe going from 0 to 1 screwed them up. Let me try that. So I'll delete these. I'll delete the save file. Make a new save file with fresh numbers. Cog, what's so funny? Did you like computer's pun? Also, this is bothering me. Why is this one off? Why is that one off? X equals 0. X, Y. Wait, this is 100 plus X times 30. This is 60 plus X times 30. Why was that different? Weird. You yelling about Pokemon lullabies? Oh. I forgot I did that. You can't reference things that I do because I don't remember that I do them ever. Not once. All right, we got a fresh scene. 0 level or level 0 for everything. This lines up now, which makes me feel good.
For today's show, this week's show is going to be really interesting. Don't tell what's going to
Atrum. Atrum, how's it going? Let's level up everything once. Thank you for the posture check. Okay, everything's leveled up once. It's gonna be everything, the whole slew, the whole kit, the whole caboodle, whole kit and caboodle. What the hell's a caboodle? Kit and caboodle. What is that saying? What does that mean? We're gonna find it. It was fishing. It was fishing, right? Or gardening. Which one? It was fishing or gardening. Fishing or gardening. Also, this is driving me nuts. Also, this is driving me nuts. Everything leveled up, but it spammed it at fishing and gardening, I think. Why? Let me see. Maybe there's something up with those two proficiencies. Okay, so proficiency farming. It's called gardening, but it's farming. Level values and level definition. First level's at 0. Foraging, the first level's at 100. Innkeeping, the first level is... Looks like cooking, crafting, and gardening are all first level 0. Does that matter? Cooking, crafting, and farming. Okay. Let's see if we can... Maybe that's the problem. Something be thinking 0 is false. It might be doing like a divide. Maybe I'm doing a divide and level 0 being experience level 0 is just dividing something by 0 just for that one moment. I don't know. Okay. So it's fishing, gardening, and cooking. So let's pump those only. Oh, wait, I gave some to crafting. Whoops. Gardening, fishing. All right. All right, cutscene. We're done with you. Yeah. Well, so you guys aren't keeping me hydrated. You ready? This is it. It's going to be right after this summary. I'm going to pause it. No, I can't push buttons if it's paused. So, yeah, it's going nuts. Look at it. It's going nuts. Fishing is going up and it's going nuts because it's level 0. Bink, bink. Look at that. Every time. Bink, 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 bink. bink, 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 bink. And now it's fine. Look, no errors. It's fine. We figured it out. You are a grown man. Hydrate yourself. No. Make me. Please, like, hit the redeems to make me. You think I'm a grown man. How tall do you think I am? You know, the camera adds 10 pounds. I could be very tiny. I can be a very tiny, non-grown man. You don't know. All right, so once fishing is done, 10 centimeters. That's exactly how tall I am. Okay, so redo it, then pause as the errors appear. Don't forget that breakpoints don't work. Look, here they are. So it's doing the calculation for this XP number and level 0. Keep it paused. It is paused. Look at the rect transforms in the UI. In the manager, UI, end of day, panel, canvas switcher, totals, proficiency cards, scroll view, viewport, content. Currently, we are dealing with this one, proficiency cards. One of them is going to have invalid. Rect transform. Computer. It has valid values. So Atrim, what you missed is when I Googled this, the first hit was this value, this error gets thrown when you try and put a not like a nan number, not a number into a number. It's probably the loading bar. XP bar. Frame, background, image. Nan! Nan, 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 nan. Nan, 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 nan. Dun. Do you guys remember that band? Dun 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 nan nan nan. What were they called? What was that? What was that group? I forget. It doesn't animate until you're 1. Yeah, we messed it up. So whatever's driving that. Okay. So you do divide by 0 most likely. I must be dividing by this level 0 because it's how much experience you need to be level 1. So I calculate how much experience you have divided by how much experience you need to be that level. Probably. Proficiency card. Proficiency card. Proficiency card. Where you at? Proficiencies. NPC system. Photo system. Spawn guys. Time. Transaction. Warp. Proficiency level. Animated XP bar. So I set the fill amount based on I remap current XP, amount to level, amount to next level. So this remap is donking things up. I can say if this fill float fill equals this. If fill equals nan, or fill equals nan. Do 0, else do fill. Is that good? Can I do that? Can I just do that? Because it works. It displays properly. Let's see if this fixes it. So instead of fixing the nan calculation, I'm just going to check for nan. And I bet you all hate that, don't you? Lazy dev being lazy. I don't even deserve to dev. I'm so lazy sometimes. Can you do an inverse lerp instead of that method? I think that method does do some kind of lerp. Time to do very serious work for very serious people. Bye now. Enjoy the deving. Computer. Tell those very serious people to lighten the funk up. Jeez. So serious. Why so serious? I have a good feeling about this. Let me delete the save file again. Oh, it's that time of year where I have 100% chap lips forever and ever until summer. Gardening, 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 gardening. Fishing, 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 fishing. Farming, 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 farming. No, cooking, okay. But it shouldn't divide, I hope. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that remap function does. It's something I inherited from More Mountains. From the creator of Feel and Inventory Engine and Corgi 2D Engine and very popular Unity assets. It still does it. It still does it. I say Phil is nan. Hey, is Phil nan? Then 0. Else Phil. Okay, remap. What does this do? Yeah, look at this. It does C plus A minus X minus A divided by B minus A times D minus C. So I could do a lerpy lerp instead. I can do float fill equals float.lerp. Just lerp math f.lerp. No, wait. No, the map is doing, that's what it's doing for me. Is that what remap does? Today I learned. Atrim, you didn't know how to remap something? Math F inverse slurp. What is that? Determines where a value lies between 2 points. Well, how is this different than lerp? What is the difference between inverse lerp and lerp? This is linearly interpolates between A and B by T. Inverse lerp determines where a value lies between 2 points. A value between 0 and 1, representing where the value parameter falls within the range divided. Oh, interesting. This is exactly what remap is. This is if you conveniently want to remap between 0 and 1. which is exactly what I want to do. Current XP amount to level. No. Amount to level. Amount to next level. Current XP. Imagine this comes out Nan also. Yeah. I think this is it. Neo. Well, I use min-max class that has inverse lerp and lerp. So if I want to map from min-max A to min-max B, I can't really min-map. No. You can use inverse lerp and then convert that 0 to 1 number using addition and multiplication to your new range. But I guess that other function does it for you. Did you catch it? Do you want to copy it? It's okay. All right, so what was the other one? Cooking. Crafting. Crafting starts at 0. Crafting starts at 0. I have a feeling about this. A good one. Inverse lerp. I learned a new thing today. I like inverse lerp. I'm constantly remapping between 0 or mapping two things to get a 0 to 1 value. Constantly. Nope, didn't work. Wait, why? How did that... We're just going to have to like print this. We're going to have to print this out. So this is amount to level. Amount to next level. Current XP. Let's see. I'm so confused. Yeah, me too. Let's see what these values are. What the hell's going on here? I have a feeling amount to level. Yeah, I don't know. Beautiful code, public static float remap. To lerp unclamped from inverse lerp unclamped value. That does look pretty, actually. Danilo, welcome in, first time chat. How are you? Have you tried Unreal before? If so, what are your thoughts? It seems like every cozy indie dev uses Godot or Unity. I have tried Unreal. I know Unreal pretty well, actually. I think it's great. I think it's a fantastic engine. It's just very heavy and very cumbersome. And I like the open nature of Unity. I like also coding in C#. I do not like coding in C++. I don't love blueprints that much. So that's why I use Unity. I just ran. Yeah, these values must be weird. Something's going on with like these values specifically. Also, I need to let me pump everything up so I can pause it. This should give me enough time to pause it and to assess those print statements. I wish you can push buttons while paused. Gotcha. It's not even printing anything. It's not even printing anything. Wait, is this code even running? Guys, Guys, what's happening? What's happening? This code's not running. Did it not hit save? It's saved. Am I crazy? I get it. I've gotten so used to blueprints that I can't write regular code anymore, only for plugins. Yeah, I'm just... It's really, really hard to make complex simulations, like complex systems and simulations in Unreal for me. Because I can't... I don't want to do C++. Me too. Unreal eats up my laptop for breakfast. Oh yeah, I can't even run Unreal on this computer. Or I haven't tried yet, actually. I don't think I can run it. I'm on a MacBook Pro. The M1. I have the M1 Pro chip. I think I can, but I haven't even tried. C# is great. Yeah, I love C#. You could put a debug.break. I don't think this code is running. I think it's happening somewhere else. Animated XP bar. I think that code's happening somewhere else. Let me see. So UI. Proficiency card group. Totals panel. Totals panel. Panel. I think this is where we're doing it. Set panel. XP bars dot open. XP bars dot animate XP text gained. That's here. And then animate XP bar. No, that is happening. Yo, what is happening? What is going on here? What's the default install size for UE at the moment? Someone said it was 170 gigabytes, but I think they may have been exaggerating. I'm not sure, actually. Can you look for all instances of .fill? Yeah. Oops, not here. Close. Yeah, I do it here. I set it. Animate XP bar. I initialize the panel. This just happens once. This is in the while loop, so this is constantly happening. And then at the end, we do it once again. It has to be this. Wait, if I stop playing here, let me see if like everything compiles. You know what? It is 6. We've been going for 2.5 hours, and I think it's time to wind down, actually. We're gonna raid out. We're gonna raid out. But where should we go? Read my previous 2 before? Because the error is due to Unity Canvas trying to repaint. So if the value is nan due to something else, it will still spam the console. Oh, wait, I missed a lot. Let me go back. Yeah. Default size, yeah. I actually love C++. It was my first programming language. Maybe I'm the only one who feels this way. People say it's hard, but honestly, it's not that bad. Danilo, if it's your first, then you're going to love it, and that's totally fair. It was not my first. And I tried learning it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go back to C#. Actually, ignore that. I'll Google it like a normal person. 115 gigs. It might as well be 170. That's crazy, DB. I don't even have enough space on my hard drive for that. Because the error is due to Unity Canvas trying to repaint. So if the value is nan due to something else, it will still spam the console. Oh, you're saying it'll spam until it's not nan anymore. So it probably is this first one. It probably is this first one. But why isn't it spamming this print statement? That's what I don't understand. Now I'm even more confused. 15 gigs last version I got. I think if you install like all this, like their starter pack stuff, it's huge. Oh, the 115 gigs with an installer bug? It is more reasonable, yeah. My UE5 install is 55 gigs. It's a vanilla install with no extra downloadable content besides what comes with the engine by default. That's a lot. Because it's not animated yet. Oh, you think because I paused it too soon? You think I paused it too soon? I stopped it. All right. I think it's fine. We're going to fix it next time. Polyglot. I've also worked with Unreal for years, but for my solo and indie projects, I prefer Unity, much friendlier development lifecycle for the solo or small dev team. Yeah, I agree. I tried Godot also, but moved away because of the community management. Can you replace that other remap with inverse lerp? I will. I'm going to do that tomorrow, but I'm going to go now. I'm hungry. I want to go eat dinner. So I'm going to find someone to raid. Where should we go? Go to Ryan. Wait. Okay, he's only been on for 2 hours. Let's go to Ryan. Raid Ryan. And let's do some credits. Credits. Everybody, thanks for hanging with me. I had a good stream today. Got a lot of work done. I appreciate you all hanging out. I appreciate all the new faces. Let's see what we got going on. Who are the new faces today? Danilo, Antoine. It's me, Donut. It's me, Donat. Always Emiliana and Barracks. Thank you for hanging out. Calm, thank you for that resub. Finn and Calm, thank you for modding. And Hypnotic Games, thanks so much for that raid. Neo Geek, should probably get some sleep. It's 4 a.m. Yeah, definitely go to bed. Dragon Spirit, thanks for hanging. Animations and working with assets is so much easier in UE. I tried it in Unity and it's a lot of work. I will say that the animation system in Unreal is very organized and easy to work with. I also like the way you can re-import from the source location. So you can basically have your files overwriting each other outside of Unreal. And then in Unreal, you can just right click, say re-import from location. Boom. I like that. But more on that next time. I'll catch y'all later.